for $10. We got Megan on a horse, and we got the shot at the it's James Woods.
Fuck you, Ray! Fuck you! You killed!
One of those. We just had a great sunrise here at the main view of Monument Valley. You can see it here behind me, the mittens. I had my time lapse set up, sort of panning across, and kind of just walked around here looking for composition, because this is obviously the main telephoto, sort of mid-range shot of the three rocks over here, some close-ups of each one. But then you want to use the foreground, and there's some little trees and shrubs that I used as sort of foregrounds, try to make like a leading line kind of thing. And picking off some close-up details of the rocks and the light hitting the rocks on the side. From here, we're going to scout out to see what there is to do today. The pass that you buy is valid for the day, so probably going to enter the valley and kind of scout around for sunset locations, might shoot some day stuff, and I want to figure out to see if I can shoot in the valley for sunrise tomorrow. We are out here at Artist's Point, kind of working our way through the valley, shooting some lifestyle stuff. You know, it's that middle of the day lighting, so it's not very conducive to regular photography, but I put the anamorphic lens on the gimbal and we begin some sort of lifestyle, you know, going for that Western appeal. For $10, we got Megan on a horse, and we got the shot at the it's James Woods. One of those guys, James Woods. This actor, John Wick. We are here at a location called Valley of the Gods, and it's pretty dope. You can see why it's named that. Looking around here, you're sort of in a valley, as the name suggests. Almost feel like you're in a sort of Grand Canyon. And we got these rock structures. There's one next to us, and they go all the way off into the distance. So the telephoto lens shots are looking great. I'm gonna get closer to this one and get some sort of wide angle stuff, using this one as the focal point. Megan's doing some drone stuff over here. Also going to be shooting astrophotography here. It's clear skies. Last night it didn't work out, and this morning at Monument Valley it didn't work out either. So I'm going to do Monument Valley sunrise tomorrow morning. That's probably going to be the last thing we do at Monument Valley. We are here at Monument Valley. You can see the West Mitten behind me there. Did the little hike down the Wildcat Trail, set up a time lapse. The goal here was to get kind of the sunrise shots, obviously, but just different angles, you know, using some foreground elements, because everything you get from the view is just long telephoto, very typical shot that everybody gets, which is fine to get it, but came down here, looked for some interesting foregrounds, so I'm pretty happy with the shots that I got. It was a nice hazy sunrise, so that it helps make a little bit of a glow. It's not like too harsh as soon as it clears the horizon. So this time lapse is just about done. Got an angle of the West Mitten, and then this is probably going to be a wrap for Monument Valley. From here, who knows? We could go anywhere in the country. So stay tuned.